Yeah. Today we are back at the Revelstoke Bike Park. It just rained last night, so it should be nice and tacky. Hopefully not too muddy, but we're gonna just see how it goes. Anyways, we have a full crew of riders today. We have my buddy John as well. We have my buddy Tyler. I was really hoping Tyler wouldn't be that fast on a bike, so I wouldn't be the slowest person in the group for one day, but turns out he was an absolute missile. I mean, I'm not really that surprised. The guy is a professional sledder, so, I mean, I'm not sure what I was thinking. Anyway, the guy's a savage, John's a savage, so it's gonna be a good day. So, we're gonna set out right away, check out Bagful of Boogie for our first lap of the day. First run, take it easy, it's a warm-up. Gotta figure out what the trails are like, see how grippy it is. That's fun through there. Holy cow, it's fast through there. Oh yeah! So much more gnarly than Silver Star, holy smokes. It's so fast, holy smokes. Oh, there was a couple whoops where there's those big whoops. Holy crap, I almost died on one. Just came off and was a little nose heavy, just went woof.
Yeah, I still get that every once in a while. I'm through the air and the nose is down.
Yeah, you're like, oh shit.
Oh, it's not there.
Yeah. That's bumpy through the air, son. Oh man, that's so much fun. It's so fast, holy crap.
And the knock here, it's just like falls to the wall. Like,
oh.
Silver Star, you can relax.
Yeah, you can lay back. It's way the risk here is so much higher. I'm good to go. Let Tyler lead again. He's a little bit more warmed up than I am. It's fun chasing him, so. A little bit of oversteer. Didn't hit that quite right.
nowhere near enough speed to clear this one. Actually, I did. Never mind. Whew.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't go down there, that's fucking insane. Anything black tack, yeah, I know it's not for me.
Yeah. Well, considering how hard this is, you can imagine what that probably is.
I came over this rock roll and there's like a jet out in the rock, and right as you rolled over and my tire stuffed into it.
Oh no.
There's like endo at the top of this rock roll feature.
Whew.
And my tire like popped over it and I like rode off of it like no footer.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got back on the pedals and rode it out.
Oh my god.
I'm like, that was the sketchiest thing ever. I gotta get off this tech shit. That was just the blue.
You're asking for fun.
Oh yeah. And my dad wanted to do it, so.
He did, eh?
Yeah.
What did he say after that?
He's like, this is fucked.
Forget it, eh? I'm out.
Yeah. And then, yeah, we talked to some guys there that worked for Big Light. And they're like, yeah, that's about as blue as it gets for a tech trail.
Oh,
yeah.
Riding Silver Star and Revelstoke back to back has made it extremely apparent of how gnarly this place actually is. The trail speed here is way higher than at Silver Star. The trails here are just more technical. You need to be a better rider to get down them, and it's honestly hard to even say that they're both blues, even though the jumps at Silver Star are just as big, if not bigger. Revelstoke isn't exactly what I would call a family-friendly resort. It's just too early in its life and the trails are just too gnarly. I do have to say though, they are an absolute blast. It is so much fun to be ripping down them. And another thing that you don't really consider until you're there is the actual vertical you have of riding. We're only about halfway down the trail and this would have easily been a full lap, if not a lap and a bit, at Silver Star. This is a really unique mountain, and I realize it is early in its life, so I'm extremely excited to see what they come up with over the next couple of years. I could definitely see this place being the next Whistler. I think it's going to be unreal. Anyways, it's time for me to stop talking and for us to finish off this lap.
Oh man.
So scary first lap.
Yeah.
On it ever.
That was fun. Did you clear those two big jumps after those berms?
Oh, I took it easy there.
Okay. I managed to clear them somehow. I didn't think I would, then I cleared them.
Yeah. It's a little greasy, eh?
A little bit.
Just a little bit hesitant to let her loose.
The rain had definitely had an effect on the trail. In most places, it was actually pretty grippy, but there were a few spots here and there where it was a little bit on the greasy side and kind of sketchy. Anyways, it was time for one of my favorite sections of the mountain, so let's go.
Big berms coming up, go fast! Woo! Such a huge wall.
Yeah, big bolters
Yeah.
back to back.
Did you tell me to? Did you hear me telling you to give her?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Good.
Like, which one is it though?
Yeah.
Fuck it. They're all good.
Yeah, and then you come into that big one, just like, oh, it's,
In there, right?
oh, it's so good. Cool, man. Didn't hit that quite right. Oh yeah. Such a slow section. There we go, now it's gonna speed up. There we go.
Enduro race.
Yeah, like I don't even think Whistler the runs feel like this.
I know. Whoo, my hands and my back.
Are they numb?
Yeah, just sore. That's fun through there. It's definitely bumpy. I hate the braking bumps.
Yeah,
That's what kills me.
Where's you out?
definitely gets you. Usually, like by the end of the day, the fingers.
Yeah, they're pretty messed.
I know it sounds like a lot of bitching and complaining, but you have to remember this run is like 3 runs at any other bike park. We still aren't even that close to the bottom yet. So if you're looking for a resort where there's not a lot of wait time and a heck of a lot of riding, Revelstoke's the place. Anyways, it's time to finish off this lap.
Yeah. Woo, this is bumpy. Woo. Oh, made it. Oh boy. Knock over the porta potty there. I bet he's in there. Oh.
There he is.
Woo. Boy.
This next run, I'm going to be handing the camera over to Justin. This guy is an absolute savage and he's got so much style on a bike, so this should be sick. But you're going to have to wait for that in the next one. Stay tuned.